Welcome back to the Late Night Show. And of course, today, like we always talk every Monday, Ginger Monday, very, very important. Say we'll do this thing. More importantly, because the year just starts, and you need so much of these teachings. You need many, many of these things to start your year. You understand? Over the weekend, the only thing we may just carry from mind, we don't ginger me for the full weekend, we'll just walk apart. Yep. So now just this one statement. Think with the end in your mind. You understand? Once you want the reason how you could take, by the end of this year, how you want to sit down, look over the year and give yourself, report, score. You understand? How you want to, what in those things when you're supposed to do so that by the end of the year, you go sit down, talk, say, yes, we do them, I do them. And, give yourself correct marks, say, I do this thing. So that will ginger you from now. Exactly, they make sure so those things you do them. That's the reason for our gist for today. You understand? Setting goals for the year. And then at the same time, how you go take achieve these things then? How you go take achieve these things, because to set now one thing. We feel no finish the OGs today.
Yes, obviously.
But so the one we go fit talk for today, we go shadow one, make everybody for at least get good knowledge today. Ladies and gentlemen, as usual, we get our bros in the building. Ogadakpo Banjo, aka the Benj, with us as usual. Welcome, sir.
How are you?
Welcome, sir.
How are you?
We thank the Lord.
Our market.
We market they say. Market they say. They say unto the righteous it is well.
It is well.
So this year, now good thing with the talk. Your mouth no go carry bad thing talk at all.
Amen.
In fact, I they try stop this word now hustle.
Yes.
It's not my statement anymore. No, now grace now we talk about.
Yes,
no more. We know the hustle. Because hustle be like say they go fight to chop. You fight to chop.
Struggle.
Say the hustle goes on. Now you go the struggle they go. You understand? Well, I said, no, grace speaks for me. I don't want to enter.
Not good there, not good there.
I mean, I don't go to form spirit. You get me now? Welcome, sir.
Yeah,
welcome,
nice
sir.
to be back here.
Yes, so.
Nice to be back here.
So, sir, like we talk first, you go first greet people them where they feel you.
Yeah, so
good day.
good evening, everybody where they watch us. And we're back with plenty information. We go make you get to where you have to go where you have to go this year and get to where you're supposed to be this year, 2016.
Bam. 2016, our year. Easy, man. Our year, your year of
spreading.
My year of my turn.
It's a year of unlimited growth.
Unlimited growth. Everything has still progress.
Yes.
Progress.
Last life, last. At the end of any type of
progress.
Progress.
Yes,
so you must make progress this year. The small we go feed do to help. We go do, but last, the action, still your hand is still there as person. All right. So, like I talked earlier, I talked about goal setting and how person go take fit achieve them. But probably just for those people that way maybe never hear all this kind of talk before, all this kind of gist before. We first start to hitting the goals and all of that.
Anyway, more quick start to the talk about the thing. Make we break down the topic into small things. More talk about waiting be goal.
Yes.
And then another thing be say how I fit set my goal, which we go talk about goal setting, and then or make we talk what is goal setting, and then how I can achieve my goal. Now goal now something every individual way day for life we no get or we no set goal, no go fit reach anywhere where in they go. Now make I break that one down small again. Be say everybody, na thin line dey between purpose, goal, and aim. Now small lines, very thin line dey in between. In fact, sometimes you feel use goal for purpose. You feel use purpose for goal. You feel use both of them for aim. Say, what is your aim in life? Or what is your goal in life? What is your purpose in life? You feel use these three words. They play. The three of them mean the same thing sometimes. And sometimes it depends on where you want to use them. It will mean another thing entirely. Now, goals are something where make we break them down so that I go come define them. We get what they call personal goals, and then we get another one will be career. If it be career goal, under personal goals, if it now be career goal, if it now be attitudinal goal, if it now be financial goal, if it now be educational goal, if it now be so many plenty. Now under personal goal, you feel do a lot of things. There are so many things where you feel set as personal goals. Like I don't give example now. If it be your own personal financial goal, if it your career, your personal career goal, if it be your educational goal, or and so many other ones like that. And then we have organizational goal.
Okay.
Now, but for the purpose of viewers, I start with personal goals, because that one has to do with so many people. The other one, they do with organization, people we got a company, entrepreneurs, and all of that. Now, for personal goal means say something where you propose for your mind, something where you don't you won't commit yourself to, something where you want plan, where you get plan. Number one, you plan to do them.
Okay.
Number two, you commit to do them.
Okay.
Now, the thing where we they call goal with that, so that you can achieve the thing will be the main thing where you want to achieve. So, how is goal defined? You feel define goal as plan and commitment. A plan where you don't be committed to, so that the thing where you want to do, you go fit achieve them. Now go with that. Make we break them down small. Now, the thing be say, for personal goal, you feel set if it be financial goal. What it be financial goal personally, I feel say, this is the amount of money where I want to save in 6 months.
Okay.
And this is waiting I want to use them for.
Okay.
So I feel set financial goal to buy a house. I feel set financial goal to go to school. I feel set financial goal to buy a motor. I feel set financial goal self to even train my younger ones.
True.
So now my goal be say my younger ones must be trained. And how I go achieve and be say I go need money to send them to school. And then part of the goal, when you suppose to understand, if now financial goal for your siblings or for your younger ones be to send them to school. Part of the goal inside the plan, how many books you want make them read?
Okay.
Say now all of them minimum school start, or 1 or 2 of them must go university. Now part of the goal. So you know if you just set out to say, I must make sure say all my siblings go to school, or all my younger ones must go to school. Which kind of school, which level?
Okay, so when a person gets one particular goal, because you just give example, now person gets like one particular goal, you call it to break down that one.
You have to break it
into
down.
pieces.
If not, it's not a smart goal.
Okay.
You know, last year we talk about goals when you want the element of it's just because I know they too like to they talk Google, to they bring Google information when they talk. Because I they get insight.
Okay.
Something from within me, they give me things as I they talk, as I they think.
Okay.
Now, when we go by smart simply setting smart goals or making your goal smart means say make the goal simple. Now that is for the S. The M be say make you make them measurable.
Okay.
So like this one where we just dey talk now, that one is applicable.
Okay.
I won't send my sister to school. I won't make my sister go to school. That is my goal. Is it secondary school? Will she go to will she do BSc? After BSc, if she won't do master, will you still send down? If she won't do PhD, will you still send down? So you must know, say, okay, now to get first degree, or the minimum, now second degree, maybe master's degree. So it must be measurable. Now that's for the M. Now the A is that it must be achievable. Now the achievability of any goal where you put where you get is in your own ability to be able to follow through the plan where you don't write.
To the end.
It is very important. That's for the A. The R means it must be I love to make 2R.
Okay.
Not be say you go put the 2R inside the smart because now only one R.
R for smart, yes.
One mean it is reachable.
Okay.
Or it is realistic.
Okay.
You see, because if it is not realistic, it is not reachable. So I like to define and say it must be reachable, and for it to be reachable, it must be realistic. That's for the R. And then the one will be T, it must be time bound. Exactly. You know if you just say, I must send my sister to school, and you no get time. You must be able to say after secondary school, what you want make she study? She must study medicine. Now he be say for the next 6 years, she still in school. After that one, she must do masters in public health. Now, him be say she go still spend another 2 years. You know?
Yeah.
And in addition to all of those things, you go calculate the time where she go serve before she go move on. So you go calculate everything.
So the
it
when
must be
go
time
come
bound.
enter.
So that means what the goal where they set for am be say in the next 12 years or 13 years, my sister must be a PhD holder. That is the plan.
Okay.
So you must make that plan smart.
Okay.
And then still talking about personal goals. Personal goals simply means, you see, the moment when we say personal goal, it means something where na me go do am.
It concern you.
It concern me.
Personally.
You don't get am. Now it has to do with me. The time where I want do am, na me go determine am. The place where I want do am, na me go determine am. Because if not be you do am,
Yeah.
sometimes some of the problem where goal setting they get, I go goal setting, where goals they get, make I limit am to just go now. Some of the problem where they get be say, if those things no dey personal to you, when your friend come, you go follow him go.
True.
You go just before you know wetin dey happen, you go just follow am.
yes.
You go just call you, Ogboro, mo go Port Harcourt. They say, you know, people dey hammer for there. You say, how dem dey do am? You say, na oil money o. You go just run.
Enter.
Your plan be say you wan go to school. Your friend say make you go do oil run for Port Harcourt. You go just follow am. But if it is personal, something go dey tell you inside you say this is not where you wan handle. You wan go school.
Not be the road where you want follow.
Not be the
this.
road where I wan follow be this. So me, I wan go school. That's why the problem today, why a lot of people dey where dem dey, be say they no set personal goals.
Okay.
So the one wey come their way,
Now
na him
they
dey follow.
follow.
That's why people, at the end of the day, people become waiting they no even believe say they fit become.
Exactly.
So anything wey come with them, they no go fit manage am.
Exactly.
They go just mess am up. Somebody wey no expect say he go get money at the age of 30. If he get the money, believe you me, na pop he go use that job.
He go squander am now. Because you know
He no planner. He no dey the, because if you think say, but I mean, me I don't set goals. So time I must to dey live inside my house. I don't plan am and I work towards am. Shey you understand?
Yeah.
Somebody feel say by so time by that time na this place I won't be. Na this place I won't be.
Yeah.
And personal goal. Who tell you say Alibaba should be the, for instance, should be the standard when it comes to comedy? You can be the standard now. Any other person will be the standard. You feel use them as role model. Maybe in the course of Ginger
least,
Mondays,
yes.
we go come to role modeling.
Exactly.
And now you feel, how can I choose a role model? So that's for goal. Now, for goal setting, so many things there. For personal goal, there are things you need to put in place if you want to set them. You must break them down. That's why I say under personal goal, and if you want to set those goals, there are so many things where you suppose put for the thing. Number one thing, they say, you have to tell yourself the truth. What be the first truth? Where you go tell yourself, I go fit do am.
Bam. First question. I go fit do this thing.
I go fit do am. I must be able to do am. Because what's the point in setting a goal where you yourself, you know say you don't go fit do am?
Yes.
You yourself, something they tell you, say, they deceive yourself. You don't get, that means, say, your first part of the things where you won't consider out when you won't set personal goal, now confidence. Self-confidence.
True.
If you don't get self-confidence in yourself, say, I go fit achieve this thing. You don't fail
Already.
from the beginning.
Before you start, sef.
Before you start. So now dead on arrival. That goal, now dead on arrival. Because you don't even get the self-confidence
To carry am through.
So it go don't fail already. Number two thing where you suppose get, if you want set successful goals for your life, now attitude. You must be able to tell yourself, for instance, even a financial goal, and you get bad financial attitude, you don't know how to save. You dey chop anything where you see you dey chop.
Anything they buy.
You don't eat food though. You don't eat food come out oh. You can't say make I just go see my friend for there. Before you know am, you don't branch for one of these eateries. You don't buy chicken.
Yeah.
Say make I just dey feel somehow.
I feel peckish.
I feel peckish. Nah lie. Nah financial indiscipline.
Feel peckish.
Because money where you suppose save,
Yes.
you know save am. You say I feel peckish.
Yeah.
I don't feel like make I do that kind of thing. You know they do that. You will never save to achieve your goal.
Exactly.
So your attitude towards money must be the type where be say it go align with your goal. Because you must meet that target. Oh,
Exactly.
If you don't meet that target, goal don't fail with
Don't
that.
fail with that.
Now that is self-confidence, attitude. Another one way they very important, where people know they respect. Now time.
Okay.
You must be a respecter of time. Waiting you suppose do today, no shifting stamp till tomorrow. If not, go fail.
True.
So anything where you feel achieve today, achieve them that day.
Okay.
Set daily goals. You see, because if time day, we go talk about long term and short term goals.
Short-term goals, yes.
Now, because if you they set goal and you know they respect time, you don't fail. Now, in fact, it's the greatest enemy of goal setting.
Goal setting. Okay.
If you no respect time, now wahala be that.
Okay.
You know go fit go far. Because the thing where you supposed to achieve in 3 months,
Yes.
you go achieve am for 6 months or 9 months, or if it take you 1 year.
That's if you don't put time,
Yes,
join
now,
them,
if
at
you
least
don't
give yourself
put
time frame.
You have to put time. You have to put the time. It is very important. Time. Now another thing. Self-confidence is important. Your attitude is important. Time is very important. Another very, very important one. Where they very, very important. Where people supposed to respect very well. Now, people.
Okay, we'll continue from that one immediately after this break. We want to run go now. All right, so don't talk about self-confidence, attitude, time. And now we'll come back from this break. We'll talk about people and we show people self got to play inside your goal setting and everything. No, talk about today. Come. You understand? Because as see, person papa,
I tell you.
he twerk, he do everything. But anyway, but largely, some people tell you, say, this is level. Some people, they're a form of exercise with that.
Very well.
You understand? You
Very
see, just like they sweat. Some people don't figure they run up and down. They do this. They just one place they dance.
And dancing a good exercise.
Very good exercise. All right, so when I welcome back, now see Ginger Monday. Very, very, anytime from now, carry mouth come out, for the matter we talk about since. But before we go on break just now, don't talk some very, very, very important things. Confidence. You don't talk about your attitude. You don't talk about time. So now I want to talk about people and the role they get to even play when it comes to your personal goal setting. So people now.
Now, people, very important. For instance, if I want set a personal goal, no man is an island. You cannot exist in isolation.
Exactly.
If na financial,
not be only if you do amo.
yes, so if na financial goal where you set,
yes.
For instance, you they work for somewhere where they know they pay salary. How you go meet them?
True.
You don't go feel meet them. So that organization matters, and na people they run am. Financial goals sometimes. People, they matter a lot. If you get self-confidence, if you they resolved, you respect time well. If you get another one where we go talk, but make I quick explain this people thing.
Okay.
Because it go lead us to another one.
Okay.
The people thing be say, imagine if you now have a brother or a sister where no just they serious. Or you can't get somebody where they sick. Where you no plan. Because you don't plan, say, by 6 months, I must save this so person. Somebody, papa, come sick.
Yeah. Okay.
You know they your plan, no? Yeah. Your plan be say you they save and to buy house or to rent house, and then something happen will be your own direct responsibility.
You know if you dodge am.
How you go do am? So that means in your goal setting, for you to be able to meet your own personal target, you must have to put some other things in place for people.
Okay.
For instance, you must try to encourage people, Daddy, I no get money to they take person go hospital. They eat well, they rest well, they use your medicine, they do this thing, no do personal treatment to just go, go buy paracetamol, come for me. If anything they do, you go hospital, go check some things, go do some things. People where they around you, with him mess your goal up. You have to be responsible for them. The responsibility not be say you go to give them money, most of the time, but you have to keep them in check because waiting concern them concern you.
And if he mess you up at the end of the day, go scatter everything when you get as plan.
I know my friend we won't go school, but you know if he go school because wahala too plenty for house. So the money when they make, where it's supposed to take go school. Now they manage in family. They manage in family. They manage in family. One of him brother bad where they go lock and up somewhere. Now he go buy bribe police. They do something, bring and come house. Another one could go fight. They go stab him. He go carry and go hospital, go stitch, go do something. They no just allow this. At the end of the day, nothing came out. All of us go school, you no go anywhere. They don't mess in life goal up. Because your goals is about your life. When your goals are failing, your life is failing.
True.
So people must know, say, goals is part of your life. And when your goals are failing, they affect your life directly. So you have to be serious about your goals.
Okay.
And that's how people can be so very bad. Because, for instance, if you set a personal marital goal that I'm going to get married at so time, what the person where you have to be careful of the woman where you won't marry now.
Exactly.
The time where you can't set money, say, by this time, I must marry. And you can't tell her and say, baby, now August I dey think can't tell you, August you no go work. Now next year me I dey think safe. You know say you don't mess your don't mess plan up.
Exactly.
That money where you don't save now you go fit spend down on top any other thing because your plan be say make you just do it.
Do and once and for come out mind
for now. So people can be very funny. For example, if you be say not be say she won't postpone herself, she go just say you say, baby, I understand what you talk, but I won't finish school before I marry.
So other things safe.
Yes.
Feed the.
You go just say you say, I won't finish school. I don't want marry when I see the school.
For school. Yes.
In fact, after service, we fit do am.
Yeah.
I fit never get job self. I don't mind. But after service, I no go do am when I see the school, and I no go do am before I serve. So people. Decision, it dey matter. So when you set your goal, you have to consider the people who matter along the path of your goal because they can actually make that goal come to pass or make them no make and come to pass.
All right. So now don't hear everything as it be like this now and how people take go affect this your goal setting matter because you got to consider them. You understand? So talk about confidence and how you as a person need that confidence to make sure that your goal.
Now the energy you need to follow through.
Exactly. Your attitude towards this goal. See, man, forget this thing. So for comedy, we say we die there. Now be saying now everything. I give my blood, everything to make sure say this thing go happen. You know, we can talk about time. You must give yourself time. By so and so, it must happen. It must. And earlier we talk about something, set weekly goals too. Yes, sometimes you need to do all those daily goals, daily goals, weekly goals. So at the end of a particular month, for example, you go say, okay, this month now this I achieved this thing, but you need to break them down like we talked earlier. Breaking them down might be the easiest way to achieve most of these things. And most importantly, get what Oga D'banj talk just now. He say once your goal they fail. That means say your life don't they fail be that.
And if you don't get goals, you don't get life.
Exactly. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, we know so we don't give now the intro to the whole thing. All right, so we'll continue my series one way or the other. As every other Monday they come, we'll tell now these things then one by one. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for follow us there on top of the show tonight. For sponsorship and advert placement. For sponsorship and advert placement, make una contact us on top this show. Our email address there for there. Send us email or contact us on top Twitter at WLate Night Show. Send us message for there. Or just follow me on top Twitter too and hear me at Funny Ogbolo. Make all of us for a reason, all right? Very, very important. Say we must do this particular thing. They won't push me come up for side here now. Oga D'banj, thank you very much. Say you follow me on top the show tonight. God bless you, sir. Now, just enjoy the video they want to just watch. Make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.